Hey and welcome! My name is Tim, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can give your customer more choices in pCon.basket using alternative and optional articles. In my current project, I would like to offer an alternative for this chair in my list. To do this, I create an alternative configuration for the chair that the customer can choose from. With a right click, I open the context menu of the article and select Mark as Alternative from the entries. I can see the marking on the right side by the italic text. I would also like to offer the following table lamp as an option to the customer. Alternative and optional articles also appear in the report and are marked there accordingly. The prices for these articles are not included in the total price. When the customer chooses the offered alternative or option, I remove the mark and delete the original offered article. The total price is updated automatically. Improve your offers with alternatives and options. Leave a like for the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.